Hello children, today we will see the topic water safe for drinking. Now we'll start this topic with one experiment. Take a glass half full of water, add a spoonful of sugar to it and stir it with a spoon. What change you can see? That sugar completely dissolves in water. Sugar, salt, washing soda, alum disappear in the water. They dissolve completely in the water. But sand, sawdust, turmeric powder, oil do not disappear even on stirring. They do not dissolve. What does this tell us? Some substances dissolve in water while some substances do not. The substances that dissolve in water spreads throughout the water. When salt dissolves in water, the water in the container tastes salty. When sugar dissolves, the water tastes sweet. If someone gets loose motion, we give them a solution of salt and sugar to drink. This solution is called ORS or oral rehydration solution. Solution means when a substance dissolves in water, a mixture of that substance and water is formed. This mixture is called the solution of that substance. A patient in a hospital is sometimes put on saline, that is on a solution of salt in water. Sometimes other medicines may also be given through saline. These are examples of useful solutions. Now we'll do another experiment. Take a piece of alum and swirl it once in the water in the first beaker. Leave this beaker undisturbed for 2 or 3 hours. What do you see? The particles floating in water slowly settle to the bottom and the water in the upper part becomes transparent. The twigs and straw still keep floating on the water. What does this tell us? Swirling alum in water helps the soil particles in muddy water to settle down. Take another beaker, place a tea strainer over it, fold a piece of fine cotton cloth into 4 layers. Make it moist and spread it over the strainer. Now pour the water in beaker 2 in a thin stream on the folds of the cloth. What will you see? The rubbish and soil particles remain on the cloth. The water collects in the beaker below. It looks transparent. What does this tell us? If we stain muddy water, it helps to make it clean. This process is called filtration. After doing this experiment, throw the water into the soil and wash your hands with soap and clean water. Now we'll move the further topic. Water safe for drinking, that is potable water. Drinking water must be safe for our health. Pure water has no taste, smell or color. If water has a color or a foul smell, one must avoid drinking. It can make us ill. When we get muddy water during the rains, we allow it to settle before using it. If necessary, we use alum or we filter the water. Its muddiness disappears and the water looks clean and transparent. Can we say that it is now safe for drinking? It's not sure. Now we'll see the microorganism. If we take a bit of yogurt or a drop of buttermilk on a glass slide and place the slide under a microscope, we see very tiny living things in it. Microscope is an instrument for looking at very small things which we cannot see with our eyes or even though a magnifying glass. They are called microorganisms. These microorganisms convert milk into yogurt. They are useful to us. But all microorganisms are not useful. Some microorganisms cause diseases when they enter our body. They are said to be harmful microorganisms. Microorganisms is a living thing that cannot be seen by the naked eye or even with a magnifying glass. There are numerous kinds of microorganisms around us. They are in the soil, in water, in air, on rocks, that is anywhere and everywhere. Even if harmful microorganisms are present in water, we are not be able to see them. Now, though the water with such microorganisms looks transparent, would it be safe for drinking? You may know that during the rainy season, we often hear of an outbreak of diarrhea. At such times, we need to boil the water that has been cleaned by settling and filtration. Only then does it become safe for drinking. Boiling the water kills the microorganisms in it and prevents diseases. So, what we have learned in this lesson? The water safe for drinking. So, I hope you understood the lesson, and for till the next topic, bye bye. Thank you.